Djordje, or Djuro, Milutinović was born in 1774. He lost his eyesight at the age of 16 or 17, and from then on, he began to compose epic songs of current events on his gusle. The gusle is a single-stringed instrument, traditionally used in the Denaric Alps region of Southeastern Europe. The instrument is always accompanied by singing medieval folklore, specifically epic poetry. Because he was only a blind musician, authorities would often dismiss Djuro as harmless, and this worked in his favor. Djuro became known as a trusted messenger of military plans and diplomatic secrets during the preparation and eve of the First Serbian Uprising for strategists located in Serbia and Montenegro. While in the territories now known as Romania, he and other bards brought their songs together with their unique way of singing. The events of this time became documented through these epic poems. In 1817, he returned to Serbia and seen as a valued guest in Prince Miloš Obrenovic's palace. He lived in the royal residence until his death on September 9, 1884.